Hare Krishna. What is the prime cause of all the problems in our life? In the newspaper, in the news, daily we read and hear. Crime rate is increasing so rapidly in the society. Rapes, murders, suicides, big scams, cheating, so and so. At our personal level, we face distractions, diversions, stress, confusion, frustration, relationship issues, mood swings, unlimited. So what is the prime cause of all these problems in our personal life? It is not the people around us. It is not the God's plan for us. It is not the effect of time. It is only and only the problem is uncontrolled mind. Because of uncontrolled mind, we have a negative, unrelated, useless perception towards the society. When we can manage and control this mind by the higher engagement, we can set our mindset. We can change our perception towards the people around us, towards the society, towards the situations in our life. So, only the prime cause of all the problems in our life is uncontrolled mind. Hare Krishna. Thank you very much.